Cleaning high windows is dangerous, exhausting, and nobody enjoys it. A window cleaning robot does the work for you. No ladder, no squeegee, no risk. But with different suction powers, navigation systems, and safety features, the wrong choice can mean a robot that misses spots or worse, takes a dive. After analyzing thousands of reviews, here are 5 robots that actually clean safely and effectively. The Tosima W2 uses AI 3.0 path planning with advanced sensors to map the most efficient cleaning route rather than bouncing randomly. Its powerful suction motor keeps it securely attached to vertical glass, while the microfiber pads tackle dirt, fingerprints, and smudges. Anti-fall sensors and a secure attachment mechanism provide peace of mind on high windows. To use it, simply attach the robot, select your cleaning mode, and let it work. The removable washable pads make maintenance simple. Users praise its thorough coverage on large windows, though like all corded robots, its range is limited by outlet proximity. Best for homeowners who want intelligent navigation and streak-free results without manual effort. The JSDROBOT S9PRO delivers serious cleaning power with 5,300 pascals of suction and dual-disc alternating rotation. This creates 35 newtons of downward pressure to tackle tough stains effectively. The cleaning cloth extends 1 centimeter beyond the unit, ensuring full edge-to-edge contact with window frames. It features precision water distribution with ultrasonic misting. Spray nozzles on both sides deliver fine water particles evenly. To use it, attach the safety tether, select from 3 automated cleaning modes, or use the remote for spot cleaning. It handles frameless glass surfaces thanks to advanced boundary detection sensors. The 6.5-meter power cord and 5-meter safety tether provide good range. The AGORVIO features a brushless DC motor for longer lifespan, lower noise, and better energy efficiency than traditional motors. The built-in water tank with ultrasonic atomizer sprays micron-level water droplets that dissolve stubborn stains effectively. Multiple safety systems include automatic suction stabilization, UPS power-off protection, and an anti-falling safety rope. Note that the robot must be plugged in to function. The internal battery is backup only, designed to prevent falls during power outages. To use it, fill the tank, attach the safety rope, and start via remote or auto mode. It works on tiles, mirrors, and marble, not just glass. Users appreciate the quiet operation and versatile surface compatibility. Best for those who want a multi-surface cleaner with robust safety features and quiet performance. The CHOVERY delivers 5,600 pascals of suction, powerful enough for secure adhesion on vertical glass. The double spiral cleaning head covers a square meter in about 4 minutes. 3 auto cleaning modes plus manual remote control give you flexibility. To use it properly, first run a dry pass with a clean microfiber pad to remove dust. Then swap pads, spray 2 to 3 times with water or glass cleaner, and run a wet pass. The high-quality eco-fiber pads leave no marks. The built-in UPS battery provides 20 minutes of backup power if the cord disconnects. A 4-meter high-strength lanyard and anti-fall algorithm add security. Users recommend keeping pads on the drier side. Excess moisture affects suction. Best for owners of standard windows who want strong suction and a straightforward cleaning process. The HUTT A1 leads the category with 6,000 pascals of suction, the highest here, ensuring non-slip movement and 99% cleaning capability. 4 spray nozzles and a 150 milliliter water tank cover up to 90 square meters on a single fill. Advanced laser edge detection technology handles frameless glass confidently, and intelligent frequency conversion adjusts suction power automatically when crossing small gaps. The 650 mAh internal battery provides 30 minutes of backup power if the cord fails, and the safety rope holds up to 145 kilograms. To use it, press one button and the robot detects positioning, applying an S-shaped, N-shaped, or spot wiping path as needed. Voice prompts guide you through operation. Users consistently praise its coverage, suction strength, and ease of use. Best for anyone who wants maximum suction, large area coverage, and truly hands-free operation.